Now let's talk about interrogative sentences, question sentences, or the interrogative sentences, which are called vraag, woorden, question words, or question sentences are question words, or vraag, woorden. For example, in English we have got who, what, where. These are also called WH words in English. Who, what, where, why, when, how, etc. These are called the question words in English. And in Dutch we have got wie for who. I will just omit this so it's easier. Who for wie, what for what, where becomes waar, why becomes waarom, when becomes wanneer, and how becomes who. For example, wie is of wie ben ik, who am I, who am I. What do ye, because we are asking a question, therefore it just uses the forms do. What are you doing, or what do you do? Waar ben je, where are you? Just like in English, we can ask questions in Dutch, and these are the question words. Waar ben je? Waarom ben je here? Why are you here? Wanneer ga je? When will you go? And hoe gaat het? How is it going? How are you? So these are the vraag woorden. And you can see this in these sentences that we have got the vraag word. So what is the volgorde? What is the order of the sentence? So we have got the vraag word, then the verb, and then the subject. Or subject is called persoon form, persons. And in the end we have got the question mark. So this is how we ask the question in Dutch: vraagwoord, werkwoord, persoons form. This is the volgorde. So we have talked about